Hello, we are daily
aspirants.
Managing appointment wait time is a major challenge.
Outdated system forces patients to arrive early in crowded areas and unhygienic areas. So, are you ready for a game-changing solution?
Yes, the solution is Mediqueue. Mediqueue revolutionizes hospital queue management system by offering real-time tracking, accurate wait time estimates, and by offering a unique feature that is token swapping.
Token swapping. Yes, you heard it right. Along with that, we have additional but significant feature which is camp awareness, which bridges the gap between the public and the hospital, providing us the health initiative. So, are you ready with that?
Welcome back viewers. This is our platform Mediqueue. As you can see that this is our homepage. Here we have included all our features which are provided by this platform. The live token system, estimated wait time, and the most unique feature, token swapping. Here enhanced safety means the hygiene is maintained. Also we have AI emergency support in the upcoming features and health camp updates. As you can see that we have benefits for both patients as well as for hospitals. Here you can see more information about our platform. And here we have the most exciting upcoming features which are 24/7 emergency assistance as well as the online appointment. Now let us have a mini tour to all the functionalities which the hospital will get. Login page, sign up page. Note that we are taking the license number for a verification of the registered hospital. Here we are just taking a dummy database since we don't have access to the official database, but we can get it after long procedure by using a NABH website. We here have a signed up hospital. We are just logging into it. Here we have a help button which will include all the functionalities of each and every button present here. Now moving to the camps facility. After adding the hospital details and the camp details, clicking on the next, the details of the camp will be visible to the camp section in our home page. And here the maps is for showing the nearby hospitals. These are the hospitals near me. Here we even have a notes section where we can add notes, which is as crucial as the notes app in our phone. You can see that we even have a records button which will save the records of the previous day's data for the patients. Now we can add some department, that is we are just entering the structure of the hospital, of the present hospital. Like we have a structure something like this, we have a department and in that we are just having two doctors. We are just finalizing the structure and starting the queue. Note that this is a very crucial page. Here actually we pondered that why didn't each and every hospital in India has not digitalized itself totally or fully. So marking that point, we actually provided two options to the hospital. Do they want to fully digitalize their records or they just want to give the live updates to the patients? Moving to the fully digitalization, we just need to ask for each and every information they take from the user. Let's say these are the required informations and we are just submitting these forms. So now each time this add new token is clicked, we need to enter each and every field which we have selected here. Coming to just the view status feature of the patients, here we are just having a token number and a unique mobile number of each and every patient. So here we are having the token number 1, token number 2 with another unique mobile number. So here we can see that the time is estimated by itself by a static algorithm. By the way, it is dynamic in the case where when we say it is completed for token number 1, the time for token number 2 is again estimated on the basis of the token number 1's taken time. So it is dynamic in nature by the way. And also this emergency thing, we can add how much time was taken in the emergency. According to that, it will change all the token numbers estimated time. Same for the break management system. So we are back here for the functionalities for patient. Number will be entered and token number will be entered to scan from the queue, and all the patients in the same queue will be visible here, and the unique feature comes here, swap. This will be allowed for some emergency reason. Submit. So this will be notified to the patient too. As we can see here, it is added to the database too, and from user 2's consent, this will be verified. Here we have updates about the camp and this will be shown here to all the users. So that's it from Mediqueue and thank you from Team Aspirants.